Do you say and like so much that your client stops listening? Welcome back to Career English Podcast. I'm James, and that's Alex. Today, 5 English words to cut filler words and sound calm on calls. By the end, you'll know the one small pause that makes you sound confident and clear.
Okay, picture this. Last week, I had a video call with a new client from Canada. I wanted to sound professional, but I kept saying, my rate is, $30. It was not clear at all, and honestly, I felt a little shy.
I know that feeling well. Those little words, and like, are filler words. We use them when our brain is still thinking, but too many filler words make you sound less confident, and the client can get confused.
But wait, let me push back on that. Everyone says sometimes, even native speakers. So is a small filler word really a big problem on a client call?
Good question, and you're right that 1 or 2 are normal. The problem is many filler words in a row. When you say, before every number, the client cannot hear your real message. A short pause is better because it sounds calm and clear.
So instead of filling the quiet with I just stop for a second? That feels strange to me. I always think a pause makes me look slow or unsure, not confident.
That's the surprise. A pause does the opposite. When you stop and breathe, you sound professional and in control. The client thinks, this person is calm and clear. The filler words are what make you look unsure, not the quiet.
Okay, I want to understand every word now. Let's slow down and go through them one by one, because I use half of these wrong on real calls.
Let's start with filler. A filler word is an extra word with no real meaning. And like are the most common filler words in English. We say them to fill quiet time while we think, but they add nothing to your message.
So like is a filler word too? I thought like only meant I like coffee. On calls I say, it's like a big project, all the time without thinking.
Yes, that's the tricky part. Like has 2 lives. I like coffee is normal English, but it's like big uses like as a filler, and that one you want to drop. Same word, very different job.
Got it. Next word, please. What does pause really mean? Because I want to use it the right way this time.
A pause is a short, quiet moment when you stop talking to think. Instead of you just wait 1 second, then speak. That little pause replaces the filler word and gives your brain time. It also makes your English sound clear.
I like that. So the pause is my new tool. It replaces the filler and gives me a second to breathe. It sounds simple, but I think it takes practice.
It does take practice, and that's fine. Now, clear. Clear means easy to hear and understand. When you cut the filler words and add a small pause, your message is clear, and the client knows exactly what you mean and what your price is.
So clear is about the client, not just me. If my words are clear, they don't have to guess. That helps a lot with people in other time zones who read my chat later, too.
Exactly right. And here's the next one, confident. Confident means you feel sure of yourself, not shy. A pause instead of a filler word makes you sound confident because you seem calm and in control of your words.
Okay, but I have to be honest. Feeling confident is hard when English is not your first language. Can a small pause really make me sound confident, even when my heart is beating fast?
Yes, it truly can. The client cannot see your heart. They only hear your voice. A calm pause and clear words make you sound confident on the outside, and soon you start to feel confident on the inside too. Our last word is professional.
Professional. That's the word I care about most, because clients pay professional freelancers. Tell me how filler words connect to sounding professional on a paid call.
Professional means the polite, correct way we speak at work. Fewer filler words make you sound more professional. When your English is clear and you pause instead of saying the client sees a professional partner, not a nervous beginner. That builds trust.
Let's practice one line together, because I learn better with my own voice. Try saying this one with me. I'll say it once, and you can say it after me in your own voice. Let me pause and give you a clear answer.
Nice choice of sentence. Here is why it works so well. The word pause replaces the filler, and clear answer tells the client good news is coming. You sound calm, professional, and confident, all in one short line with no at all.
Okay, new scene. I'm on an Upwork call with a client in Germany. He asks, "When can you finish?" Old me said, maybe, Friday? New me wants to sound clear and professional this time.
So show me the new version. Cut the filler words, add one small pause, and give a clear date. Take your breath first, then speak. What do you say to your German client now?
New me says, with a pause, "I can finish by Friday." No filler, just a clear date. It feels short, but it sounds so confident. He replied fast and said thank you, and I felt professional for once.
That's the whole lesson in one line. You dropped the filler, you added a pause, and your answer was clear. The client trusted your date because you sounded confident and professional. Short and clear beats long and full of every time.
I love that this works across time zones too. My client reads my calm, clear message later and still feels I'm professional. No filler, no confusion, just a clear answer he can trust.
Let's put it all together in one client story. You join the call, you pause before you speak, and you cut the filler words. Your price is clear, your date is clear, and you sound confident. The client thinks this freelancer is professional, and that feeling wins you the job.
Let me try the final line for the whole group. Say it with me after I go. I'll pause, drop the filler words, and give a clear, confident answer. That's my new plan for every professional call from now on.
That's a perfect plan. Subscribe if you want more English for your freelance career, because next episode, we talk about small talk before a client call, how to open warm and stay professional. Practice the pause this week and watch the filler words slowly go away.
This one really helped me. Remember, one small pause beats 10 filler words. Speak slow, speak clear, and you'll sound confident and professional to any client, anywhere in the world.
Try this in your next email. Come back next episode and tell us how it went.